Having already installed the Roush front splitter, the Roush corner pockets, and the Roush hood scoops, Cheez Whiz is on its way to being a Roush clone already, and today we're going to finish off that look with the new Roush upper grille. This Roush upper grille is going to be a direct replacement for the factory grille in your 2018 through 2021 Mustang GT or Mustang EcoBoost. It's made of gloss black ABS made right here in the USA and is an open element design to allow far more air to enter your radiator or heat exchanger. Installation of the Roush grille is going to require us to move our bumper cover, which actually isn't that bad, just a little bit time consuming. The first thing we're going to do though is pop off this radiator cover. Now remove the screws across the top here. We got two different sizes. We'll start with the small ones on the ends. Now the larger ones. All right, pop the wheel off to give us more room. You don't have to, you can actually turn it. We just like to have a little more space so you can see what we're doing. But now since we have the Roush splitter, I'm gonna remove these 3 bolts here. Now if you don't have the Roush splitter, there's gonna be plastic clips here and here to remove, and then a couple more inside here. All the clips or screws are removed. We're going to pull back the fender liner to access the screws that hold the bumper to the fender. And just give it a little tug, separate the push pin. Do the same thing on the other side. All right, now we're into the car. We're going to remove all the hardware from the front of the belly pan. Okay, now you can lift the bumper cover off the alignment tabs up top here. I'll reach down and unplug the marker lights. So once you have the bumper cover off, you want to put it on a surface where you can work on the back of it. So put a cloth or something down to protect the paint. First thing to do is remove the bumper support and then remove our factory grille. Now the support's going to be good practice for removing the grille because the tabs are the same, there's just not as many. But basically, this is part of the bumper. Screwdriver, knife, whatever, but you got to basically push that back and then lift the bumper off of it. Can be a little tricky, you just kind of want to pull as you push down the tab. Now you can see we made our way to our factory grille. All these painted tabs are the actual bumper cover. That's how you can tell the difference. Again, you have to kind of move these off the grille in order to get it off. Start on the end, just work your way towards the middle. Helps to kind of put pressure upward on them. Sometimes as you push them then, it'll actually just pop upward. Now Roush grille is designed just like the factory grille, so all those tabs will slide in just like they did, making it, again, a direct replacement. Just make sure you have them all lined up. Just kind of get a rough idea where they're going to go. The bumper will move, so the top ones will be a little bit of an angle. Try to get them all sort of started first before you push anything down. Once they're down, push, lock them into place. And then go back through, just make sure they're all locked in. and you should hear each one of them clip in, but if not, put it vertically like this. Just give it a little extra push on some of the ones you think may not have clipped in. So you can definitely hear it when they clip into place. Once the grille's in place, grab the bumper support, put that back in. Same way, make sure you hear them clip on. And it's ready to go back on the car. Put the bumper in place, reconnect your marker lights. Just get the upper here seated on the alignment tabs, that'll hold it in place. And then go check your fender alignment. Get this in place over the headlights. Just get it lined up for now. I can reinstall the top screws here. Reinstall the 2 small screws on the ends. Then move to the wheel wells. Pull the splash shield back again. Push this up into place. The last step, reinstall radiator cover. And installation's finished. The Roush grille finishes off that Roush look on our 2018 Mustang absolutely perfectly. It looks way better than the factory grille, and best of all, it's functional. It's going to allow more air to get into our oil cooler and our radiator. The installation, again, you got to take the bumper off. It's a little time consuming. Give yourself about 2 to 3 hours. Be back on the road in no time.